myMedidata registries are a new capability on the myMedidata patient platform that extends patient engagement in the pre-trial and post-trial space so that patients can learn about new clinical trial opportunities and remain engaged post-trial for long-term follow-up and safety surveillance.
I think patient engagement, both pre-trial and post-trial is super important. First of all, I think the patient deserves it. I think it also sets the stage for a more positive patient experience through the trial, which I think is for the benefit of everybody.
The key features and functions are to extend patient engagement in the pre-trial and post-trial space. Pre-trial, we're looking at things like notifications and alerts, education about clinical trial opportunities, site and trial matching for patients. And post-trial, we're looking at things like long-term safety surveillance, data capture, following patients for safety outcomes and assessments, and also presenting patients with new clinical trial opportunities.
In terms of registries, my genetic mutation is rare. I think it's really important for someone with a disease to have access to both their care provider, but also to what the researchers are doing.
We created myMedidata registries to make it easier for patients to learn about clinical trials, be matched to clinical trials, join clinical trials, and then to have a seamless and optimized patient experience throughout the clinical trial and post-clinical trial.
Registries are supremely important, and I think it's bidirectional. I think that by me or any person choosing to join a registry, share every bit of data that they have about themselves, allows then the scientific community to take the data and identify which subset of patients might benefit from clinical trial participation.
If we make it easier for patients to participate in trials and we make their experience totally great, more people are going to want to participate in clinical trials.
If the patient gets treated properly and gets access to the data or gets proper information about what the study meant, it's good for future recruitment for trials.
We're going to be able to help sponsors bring new medicines, devices, and vaccines to market faster.
It's a sense of empowerment for a patient to have access to additional information so that they can make intelligent decisions about their health care.
myMedidata Registries was designed for patients by patients in partnership with Medidata's Patient Insights team. Medidata's team of dedicated patient advocates uses the patient centricity by design process that infuses the patient perspective into the software development lifecycle to create technical solutions that improve the overall patient experience in clinical research interactions.